Here are some hands-on activities for practicing basic reading skills. These activities don't require spending any extra money, they don't require any technology access, they are free and tech-free. So we're going to be working with sounds and syllables. Those are the building blocks that make up words, and they are the skills needed for kids to become great readers. We're going to be working with sounds and syllables using movement because it helps commit them to memory, it helps a student work with them in a whole body way. It's a great way to practice those basic reading skills. So let's start with some of the Orton Gillingham based ideas about sound tapping, or you can flip that to be sound stretching, sound stomping, sound jumping, whatever it is that's a movement matched with a sound. So you could come up with words off the top of your head for kids to practice, or you could find things around the room. So let's say I just found toy. I'm gonna sound stretch that or sound tap that. Toy, toy. Maybe I found another item. I found soap around the room. Let's sound stomp that. S-O-P, soap. Maybe I found this clock here in the room and I want to sound stretch clock. K-l-a-k, clock. You see how there's different movements I can do with these different items. Along the way, I could also be counting the number of sounds that make up that word. So toy, t-oy, toy. 2 sounds make toy. Soap, s-o-p, soap. 3 sounds make soap. Clock, k-l-a-k, clock. 4 sounds make clock. I could go on a sound hunt. So tell the student or your child to go find something that starts with t. I found a toy. Toy starts with t. Go find something that ends with p. Soap. I found soap. Soap ends with p. Go find something that has ah in the middle. Clock. Clock has ah in the middle. So you can talk about beginning sounds, ending sounds, middle sounds, number of sounds. There's lots of different variations with that. You would do an I Spy game. So I spy something that has 2 sounds that make up the word. Toy. Toy has 2 sounds. That's what I spied. I spy something that has a blend at the beginning. Oh, clock has a blend at the beginning because there's 2 consonant sounds. K-l, that's a blend. Clock. You see how it can be modified in many different ways. Same thing with syllables. So if we wanted to practice syllables, that's the next step after sounding things out. We can use those same activities but with multi-syllable words instead of 1-syllable word. So let's take apple. Apple has 2 syllables because we can clap out apple. Next up, banana. Banana. Somewhere around here I had an avocado. Ha! Avocado. Avocado. Just like with the sound activities, I can do all of those same things with syllables. So go find me something that has 2 syllables that make up the word. Apple has 2 syllables. Go find me something that has 3 syllables that make up the word. Banana. Good job. Same thing with I spy. I spy something around this room that has 4 syllables that make up the word. Oh, I spied avocado. Avocado. So again, same activities, just variations for sounding out and syllable counting.